to my channel. So my today's video is all about rear view camera. Here you can see that. So I'm gonna talk about that. Are we allowed to use during our test? Yes, we are allowed to use that, but make sure that you will check your surroundings while parking, while doing 3-point turn. When you're doing the parallel parking, you have to make sure that you will check your surroundings too. Don't just rely on this thing only, because it says here, you can see that check surroundings for your safety. So that means we cannot rely only on reverse camera. So what we have to do, we have to move chin to shoulder, we have to check our blind spot. So both side blind spots and rear view mirror check as well. So when you're checking, make sure that you will check properly and go slow like turtle when you're backing up. No need to go fast. You have to check your left side blind spot, look into your rear view mirror, look into the camera, check your right side blind spot, and then you can go back slow. I'm going to show you here how you will do it during your test so that you will not get into trouble. So you will come to the position and make sure that before moving, check your surroundings. Don't just go blindly, go slow like turtle. No need to go fast. So you can see that how slow I'm moving. So you can go slow like that and keep checking your surroundings. Check into your rear view mirror as well, and you can get the help from the camera as well. So a lot of people, they fail in the test because they keep looking here into the camera and they get failed. So examiner not gonna like that because you're putting too much focus to the camera. So might be somebody's walking from the side, or maybe somebody's opening the door. So make sure that you will check your surroundings properly. Take your time, go slow like turtle, no need to go fast. If you will go slow, examiner not gonna mark you for that. As long as you're doing it right, they will not mark you for that. And come to a correct position and stop your car, and then you will put on park and you will turn on the parking brake.